how to block or allow pop-ups on your Safari for your Mac. So right here, after you open your Safari, and for example, I want to block the pop-ups on the Google, and then after you open the desired website that you want to block the pop-ups, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on this Safari right here, and then choose on settings or preference. And then right here, you want to go to websites, and then you want to scroll down until you find pop-up windows. Or if you didn't find anything in this website section, you want to go to security. In some older Mac, it was in security, but in newer version of the Mac, it was in websites. So after you open pop-up windows on google.com, you can just choose the pop-up to be block and notify, block, or just allow. If you choose block and notify, there will be a notification block pop-ups right here. I'll show you in a sec. Or if you click on block, then there will be no notification right here at the top right. And if you click on allow, then Google will have pop-ups. And then right here, in when visiting other websites, it means that it's the default settings of your Safari pop-up configuration. Then it means that if you choose, for example, block on notify, then all of the website you visit on the Safari will block the pop-ups and notify it right here. And I really recommend to choose on block and notify. And then the second one on the configured website, it means that this is all the website that have the custom settings for the pop-up and doesn't follow the default pop-up setting. For example, the default is block and notify, but I want on Apple to block it, and then on Yahoo to allow the pop-up. And then to add any website to this configured list, we just need to do what we do before. Visit the website and open the settings like we do here and choose the custom pop-up settings. Because this google.com, it will be right here under Yahoo. And then right here, after you customize your settings to block and notify, you can just test it, for example, right here. And as you can see right here is the notify that the block app is being blocked by Safari and was notified right here. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.